Hey everyone, it's Amelia from Taipec. Today we are going to be making some of our fruit teas. First you're going to get a scoop of your popping pearls and then pop them in a cup. Then you're just going to pop that to the side. Next, you're going to measure out 200 milliliters of green tea. Pour this into your cocktail shaker. Then add 1 scoop of fructose. Next, you're going to pick the flavour that you'd like to pick for your syrup. Today, we are going to be using mango. I'm going to add 4 pumps of this. Then add some ice up to this line. Pop the lid on, and the other lid. Hold it securely, then shake. Now it's time to grab your cup and pour the drink in. Add some ice to fill it up to the top. Now it's time to seal. Voila! Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to watch our other how-to bubble tea videos.